Hello and welcome to Watches with a Woman. I'm Sierra and I'm here with an unboxing of the new NASA G-Shock limited edition watch. I'm super excited to share this with you today. I actually got the watch yesterday from the G-Shock store here in Soho in New York, and I waited to open it because I wanted to share this moment with you. So without further ado, let's open this. So this is the G-Shock DW5600 timepiece. I'll put the measurements of the watch up on the screen so that you can see those. Let's see, so it comes in this really cool box with a picture of the Earth or from space. When I open this, oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So the packaging is actually really cool for this watch, which I love. It just helps make the experience. So it's kind of an Apollo style rocket inspired container, which I will definitely be using. And when I open it, it's got its little warranty card. And then there it is. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to try this on. So I've got a targeted advertisement. Good job, all of you marketing people out there, for this watch back when it was going to come out, and I didn't buy it immediately, and then the prices on the secondary market went up. So when I found out that the G-Shock store here in Soho had one, I jumped on it. I wanted one of these watches. I have a few other NASA items in my collection, as you can tell, because, you know, space is cool. So here we go. So this retails for $130. As I did mention, the price on the secondary market seems to go up because I'm not the only one who loves a bit of NASA. So here's the watch. I'll get some close-up shots as well to put over this video. So it has the NASA logo here in red from the 1975 to 1992 era. If you look closely on the screen, you can see a faint red moon silhouette in the back there. When you go around, it does say here, spells out NASA for you. And then it has the US flag on the back. So let's try this on. It has an engraving here on the case back, which is of the moon. This is water resistant up to 200 meters. It has a countdown of up to 24 hours with a buzzer. It shows the month, date, calendar year, up to the year 2099. I am really excited to actually play with this because I have never owned a G-Shock before. So after I have a bit of time with this, I'll give you guys a little update. I'll be sharing lots of wrist shots and an update or two on my Instagram account, so be sure to check that out. It's Watches with a Woman. And there it is. Okay, now that's cool. Who cannot say that's not cool? I will definitely be getting a few wrist rolls with this, and then the NASA writing on the side. So I'm really excited to actually get out there and wear this. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.